Did they say there was going to be rain tonight? I don't know.
I don't know. I haven't watched.
In my experience, African honeybees won't abandon a premium cavity just because of a little draft.
Drop the lid.
Today, I'll show you what works for me when I need to skip the Bee Vac and do a fast hand removal and catch the queen before a storm rolls in. When I arrived on site for another removal on the same property, the homeowner within this complex showed me a little polystyrene cooler that he had bees in. They had tried the classic leave the lid open trick, but here's how I look at it. The Apis mellifera scutellata doesn't see this as a cooler. It's a perfectly insulated luxury apartment. This is a relatively small swarm, which is why I've decided to go completely by hand. You'll notice I'm moving deliberately. African honeybees can be incredibly defensive of their home, so we always take every precaution for the safety of ourselves and those in the vicinity.
It's better to take them out at night.
Yeah, because we can control them. So you'll see now while I'm working with them, they're not flying around everywhere.
Yes, yeah.
They're just sticking to the space that they know and smell.
Okay.
And then also, if we do it during the day, then it puts other people at risk. And the American bees and the European bees,
Yeah.
they work during the day.
Okay.
But their bees are not aggressive like ours.
Oh, everything is left is aggressive.
Africa is not for sissies.
Yeah, I know.
These big bees, I don't know if you see the big ones,
Yes.
those are all drones. Those are the male bees.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. The queen, she'll look similar to them, but she'll have a long abdomen with a pointy bum. You see most of the bees have round bums.
Yes.
Yeah. Especially the drones. The drones are even more round. That's a drone there.
Okay.
The queen's got long abdomen. The clock is ticking. The wind is starting to whip, and when the weather turns, the queen tends to run and hide in the darkest corners. If I don't spot her soon in this pile of bees, I'm going to do this in the pouring rain. Oh, by the way, with this box as well, the chance of you getting bees in here again now is pretty good.
Is it?
Yeah, so I would recommend throwing it away.
So they'll just come back again because they get
Sorry?
the smell. So they will come back again.
Not this swarm.
Yeah,
You'll
but
get
the new one.
Another
Yeah.
swarm, yeah. Right, I've got her. I spotted her abdomen. She's in this clump of bees right here, and I'm gently going to brush them into the box with the other bees around her. This is running. What's her there? With the knowledge I have now that the queen is safe in the catch box, I know that the foragers are going to smell her pheromones and they're going to sit tight. Hand catching is incredibly rewarding once you get the hang of it. But what happens when you have to remove a larger hive that could potentially be quite aggressive from a borehole cover? I've handled that too. Click on the video on your screen right now to see how that went down. Is that rain, man?
No, it's just in time.
That's it.